Hi friends, it's Lila from Share&Serve. Today we're gonna be doing some unpacking. We're gonna be showing you all what I got for this space in here to be cooking at the Lady Lake house for this beautiful project that my husband put in my heart, and that I went home and I prayed about it and talked to the Lord, and he said, you know what, it's now or never. I say it's now or never when he told me, yep, this is the way. So here I am being a servant of the Lord and trying to serve you all and showing you all the abundance that he has poured into our lives. So we're gonna quickly, or not too quickly, we're gonna unpack all of these beautiful things in a minute, and then if you all want the details, follow along. Here in the space that I'm gonna be cooking with you all, cooking meals for the family. Listen, I gotta be honest, at the moment he told me all of this crazy idea, and after it settled in my heart and I pray about it, I said, you know what, we need some things for the kitchen, and I'm gonna indulge in some of them because we're gonna spend so much time in there as a whole family, and also we're gonna be cooking these young recipes, so we need good things going on in here. How cute these are! Cheers! Whew. If you guys want the link, I'll put it down below. But this is what we got in terms of this thing in here. Let's go. What else? Oh, I feel like this is Christmas. I'm opening all of these boxes that I already know. Cute, cute, cute. This is for our spices, for the pepper. Oh, how beautiful. Let's see what's going on in here. All I can see is the mugs for like tea or coffee when Jonathan has his setup in there with his people. Oh, how cute. This is too much. Yay, this is pretty. Two, one for him and the other one for his guest. See, you gotta be thoughtful like that. Yes, baby. What do you want, baby? You wanna unpack with me? Okay, and this one in here is, oh, yeah. This one is for the decoration. It looked way bigger in the picture. See, I don't look at the measurements. It looked like it was huge. But you're supposed to put a little candle in there and it's gonna light it up nicely. This is to add a touch to the wall in there where the podcast is gonna be taking place. So let's put it over there. We don't need it in the kitchen. Right here, guys. Okay. Listen, I need your all help. I hope you will like this video so I can justify all of this spending. And I'll be like, see? Now you see the fruits of it. People is watching us. People is liking what we have going on in here. While we're serving the Lord. While we're talking about faith, fitness, food. Ooh, pretty. Love it. Let's see. Ooh, these are for the soup. Nice. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh. Yeah, so nice broccoli soup coming up in here. It's gonna be so good. So good. Okay, this one's go with this guy's in here. Oh, look at that. Explore how we bring nature into your home. Nice. This is gonna be one of those, how you call them? Utensil holders. And I think these are the utensils. So I kind of went for like the woodsy vibe to keep it nice and neutral. Oh, this is gonna be so cute together. Oh yeah, yeah. We better start cooking. This in here is the measuring cups. Like my husband was saying, I was inspired by some of the Instagrammers, some of the influencers out there. Some of them have such a beautiful taste. At least, you know, the things that I like, they like, or vice versa. So I follow some of the accounts for like home decoration, and most of those things, some of these things came from those accounts. So I was like, ooh, that looks good. That's the vibe I'm going for. Measuring cups, measuring spoons. I need one for the other home. One of these sets. Yep. Yay, I have a wooden one at home, but I wanted something different for this one, for this kitchen. So cute. See, so it's kind of like matchy. Going for the same vibe. Oh, look at this little spoon. I don't know if I'm too thrilled about it. It doesn't have a little holder. It's gonna rest inside, I guess. But yeah, it looks good though. They're really smally, but they look good. These are to rest the spoons when you're cooking. Let's see. Come on, come out of there. Oh, what a surprise and all. Okay, I'm supposed to go like this. So when you're cooking, supposed to rest it, yes, quite a small bag. I think it will serve the purpose. He's all about the looks. I don't know about the functionality, but he looks good. Ooh, this one is for the children. They are super excited, super pumped. They just want to be part of the team. My two oldest ones are like, can we cook with you? Can we cook without you? Can we do recipes? Can we have our own channel going on? I'm like, we'll cross the bridge when we come to it. But definitely you all can cook with me and can make some recipes. Oh, nice. Cute. I love it. I love it. These are supposed to be kids safe, so they don't cut their little fingers. And they learn how to use these chopping knives. The little pillar. And I guess this is for like the fruits or veggies. I don't know. I've never used one of these, but don't matches, but it looks like it will work. Okay, and we have a salad bowl set in here. Yeah, made with acacia wood. Let's get it out without breaking it. You know, this is a must because, you know, as people always say when we tell them we are plant-based vegan, they're like, oh, you all eat salads all day? Not really, not really. We only eat salad once a week or so. I'm just being a little naughty right now. But there's more than you all think. There's more than salad in our plates. But me, myself, and my 7-year-old daughter, we love salads, all things salads. So we're gonna make some nice recipes with her favorite salads, homemade dressings, and all the toppings she likes. It's gonna be delicious. Okay, this one in here from the same company, Royal Prestige, because I needed something a little bigger than the ones I found online to serve the soups. Because it's soup season for us all year round. I don't believe in seasonal soups, at least not me. My children are like, it's so hot. Why are we having soup? But me, I can have soup in any weather. Yes, love. Just a second, sweet baby. Nice. Okay, so now we're gonna unpack some of the decoration, the slash we're gonna use as well to cook. So I went to Home Goods to get all of these boards. They have some nice selection in there. Yep. Kind of like create the atmosphere in here. Let's see what's going on in here, if it fits in here. Yeah, it does. Some nice jars to put the rice, the beans, pasta. Kind of display a little bit of what we cook with. So I'm trying to stick with the same color pattern, you know, like the olive color that I want to have in the background as well, and the woodsy, the olive color for the olive branches. I got one of the smaller ones for that you only water once a month as well for the kitchen, but I left the other home. So when it comes, it should be in here. Nice. You okay, baby? Oh, this one in here is for Jonathan's space. Like I was saying a little bit ago, like creating those spaces with nice touches and reminders of who are we working for, what is our purpose. You know, I know. So we all, let me see. Oh, look at that. So this will be for his space for his blue wall. It's gonna look nice with the lighting in it. And this one in here, I think, yeah, I think it is the heart that I got. I saw this one on Amazon. It's not the most accurate representation of the heart, but it's supposed to be a base. So you're supposed to put some branches of flowers in it. So that's what we'll do. We'll put it in his space as well, in those shelves that I was telling you all about, behind that blue wall. So it's gonna look good. So as you all know, he's a vascular surgeon. Okay, I got this set. I don't even know what I got it for. I think at first I said to put some herbs in here, but I'm gonna bring my tower garden, which I will set it up for you all, for me actually, but you all can see how I set it up. I'm planning to have some cilantro, basil, some staples in our house in there. But since I'm not gonna be using this for herbs, we can just put it in succulents in there and create a nice little vibe for the podcast space. Yeah, let's see how this one looks in here. Something like that. Just going with the flow. Something like that. This is too dark with dark, but I think the pot that I have at home will look beautiful. Okay, I think that's all for now. Okay, so this is all that we packed today. We got the plates, we got all the utensils. We're pretty much ready to start cooking. We just gotta get some ingredients. I hope my husband doesn't watch the video like I say, because he just came home and he's like, what happened? Well, this happened. So comment if you like these kind of videos, if you wanna come along with more unboxing. Yeah, and then like I say, if you're all interested in the links, I can put it download as well. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Subscribe, like, follow me, help me cover this bill so my husband doesn't whine too much. See you next time.